Bill Goudy checking in. Today I'm going to cook some Turk-ish chicken, some chicken biryani. It's a Turkish. I think it originally, according to Rivet, started in India and they use it over rice. But because we're going to use bulgur wheat, which is a unrefined grain, wheat grain, I've never tried before. Rivet says it's real good. The link for his video is down below. You gotta check it out. What you're gonna need is some chicken stock, some butter, olive oil, pepper. Brian sent me some salt. This is ancient ocean flake Hawaiian pink sea salt. That's what I'm going to use. Bulgur wheat. Get that to Health Food. You get that in the health food department. I got it at a Hy-Vee grocery store. Got 2 onions already chopped, finely chopped. Recipe calls for 6 chicken thighs. I got 5. That's what all was in the package, but they're big, so it'll be big enough for me. Let's get to cooking, shall we? I'm going to add garlic. I don't think he had any garlic in his recipe, but you know how I like garlic. I don't have any bay leaves, and he calls for bay leaves, and I don't have them. So I'm going to substitute the bay leaves for the garlic. Just because I can. Pepper. Salt. I can't find my paprika, but I got tomato paste. Rivet didn't have tomato paste for his, or he had it, but he forgot it. 40 minutes out of 375. Look at the goodness. Rivet says to let that sit for a little bit. I just took it out of the oven, so gotta wait about, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes. This is hot, ready to go. Here we go. Some fresh asparagus. That's so good. My Crawdaddy forged knife. Mark made that for me. I gotta try this. Bulgur. That is good. Oh yeah, that's good.
Go ahead.
Let's try that chicken.
Are you clear from the
Oh,
alcohol then?
that is so good. Tender. Rivet, you hit it out of the park on this one. Thank you. Thanks for watching.